How to view all the cards in Trello. Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily view all of your cards from your Trello account. For that, we will first go to Trello account. Now, as you come to Trello, we will create a new tab and just tap trello.com/my/cards and search from it. And you can see this website from here. Just tap on this. Once you do that, you will have all your profile and visibility option here, your activities, your cards, and any kind of settings that is present on the Trello dashboard. As I don't have any visible cards in my Trello dashboard, that's why it is not showing any card. But if you have lots of Trello cards in your account, or even if you have one, you will find all of the Trello cards in your account from here. The fun fact is that we think that we can't work from here, but let me show you the workspace. And as you can see, I'm back on my Trello account and I can also work from, if I just tap on any boards here, you can see I can edit them, I can open the cards or even delete them. So this is how you can easily view all of your cards from Trello. If you like our video, make sure to like and subscribe. And we will see you in next tutorial.